Hello all. Today in this video, I am going to share some Scopus SCI and Annexure UGC index journals in the field of management and also in medicine fields. This video I am posting in base of the comments some subscribers have gave. So first we can see about some management related paid and also unpaid journals. First one is the International Journal of Management and Business Research. So this is an unpaid journal, that is free charge publication, and this is indexed in Scopus and SJR. So this is a management journal. So we can see about some other journal informations of this journal. So we can see about aims and scope. So here itself they have given that is the review process takes nearly 5 to 6 months, and it is a free journal, that is it is an open access journal and are free. It will not provide any amount for this publication. So this research fields include some management uh, topics such as you can see here this general management, strategic management, and some other management related topics. So then we can see about the journal indexing details, that is we can see in indexing and abstracting. As per we have previously seen itself, this is indexed in Scopus. So this is a management journal which is indexed in Scopus. Then we can see about another journal. This is a paid journal and also only less payment for Indian authors and some more payment for other international authors. So this is and Prabandhan Indian Journal of Management. This also deals with some management related topics. You can see this this journal covers areas like this in this management topics. So here they have given some information about the journals. So we can also see it is a Q3 quartile, that is a Q3 Scopus journal. Then we can see about the other details such as indexing and abstracting. It is indexed in Scopus and also it is indexed in UGC. You can see here National Government of India, that is it is indexed in UGC also. Other indexing is also described over here. Next, we can see about the other particles processing charges. For that, we can see here in this other guidelines. Here we can see here. Indian Journal of Management charges a publication fee of 5,000 for Indian authors, and this is for the paper and not for per author. They have mentioned it, and for other international authors, the amount is here. It is in United States dollar 200. Next, we can see about the other next journal. That is International Journal of Economics and Management. This is a management related journal. So this journal covers topics such as economics, national economic issues, and some financial discipline also. So other journal information is also given. This is a Q3 quartile Scopus journal. Next, we can see here it is also indexed in Scopus. We can see in detail about the abstracting and indexing. You can see it is indexed in Scopus and also in some other indexing. Next, we can see about this guide for authors. Here they have given the publication fee. This is an paid journal, and here you can see this channel totally covers United States dollar 150, that is for Indian amount it will come nearly 11,000. So you can see for payment, that is initial during initial submission it provides this amount, and after publication the amount is US 100. So nearly this journal is for Indian amount 10,000. It is a fast publishing journal too. Next we can see this, these are the management journals. So next we can see about the medicine related journals. That is first one is the European Journal of Molecular and Clinical Medicine. This journal covers mostly uh, medicine related topics. Next it is indexed in Scopus. We can see other details in other details, the aims and scope of the journals. Here the aim and the scope of the journal is given, and other details is also given. So then we can see about the indexing and abstracting. This journal is indexed in Scopus. Here it is indexed in Scopus and some other indexing also. So next we can see about other medicine journal, that is Indian Journal of Medicinal Research. This journal also covers some medicinal fields only, and this is a free journal. That is it is given here itself. The journal does not charge for submission, processing, or publication. So the abstracting is given detail. So you can see it is indexed in Scopus and also in SCAE and also Web of Science. So this journal publishes monthly, that is you can see monthly print on demand. So this is also fast publishing unpaid journal. Next we can see another journal of medicine field, that is Journal of International Medical Field. We can see about other details of this journal. So we can see about this aims and scope. As I said initially itself, it focuses on some medicinal fields only, so it is given here. And this journal is also a free journal. You can see it is free to submit a manuscript at any time. Next, we can see about the indexing journals. This journal is also indexed in Scopus and also in some other indexing also. So we can see about the other indexing details of this journal. So here you can see about the indexing. You can see here it is indexed in Scopus and also in Google Scholar. So next we can see about the final journal. It is also related to a medical field. It is the name of the journal is Balkan Medical Journal. So you can see about this journal details. Some other indexing details also we can see, that is this journal is indexed in Scopus. You can see it is indexed in Scopus and also it is indexed in Science Citation Index Expanded, that is Web of Science. So the Scopus site score is also given, which is 2.0. So that's all. Thank you.